Hello guys, today I'm gonna be doing a reaction video today. So I'll be reacting to my funny memes on my Pinterest. So let's do this. But before we could do this, I'm just gonna tell you there will be a loud warning. Warning, this video will be having loud noises and violent kind of things. But listen, it's just funny. It's really funny. It's just I hope you laugh. Be a laugher and something. And we'll be not be watching the one POV. If I was in a horror movie, yeah, let's not do that. But oh well, let's get to this. Oh no, he's been kidnapped. No. Gaming cat. Grr. Bro set it on fire. He looks innocent, but he's a little guilty. Okay, we're not be watching the POV one. I'm never watching this show again.
I know where you live.
Huh?
No, you don't.
What?
Oh my god.
Bro, how did he got his location? Bro, what is...
Oh. That's my house. I'm not even joking. That's my house.
Bro?
What? No.
What the
You're
heck?
kidding me. It's like, call the police.
Call the police immediately. Bro, seriously just ruined it. Huh?
So loud.
Poor kid, bruh. Hold on.
Peaceful place. Yo, you guys been good? Just remember, meet me at the wood to do the bucket. I can have.
God, this lore.
It smells like trash. What's the smell?
What the heck? Oh my god.
Time for some supersonic speed. Man, everything's frozen.
Okay, let's watch more memes. What about this one?
Oh, no. Put Iron Man in the brain. Oh my god.
Hold on. Let's see, yes, I have random memes and something. You won't even understand. Oh god. It's John Doe. Not John Doe.
No other clothes in here, chat.
I think that's queso. I'm gonna turn that down. It's just a helicopter going by. I will be making a part 2 of this. Wait. Okay. Whoa. Bro, do not believe his eyes, bruh.
This is the best game I've ever played in my life.
Yes. Bro. Oh, those SpongeBob SquarePants. What? Bro went back in the hole, bro. Ice cream. Ah! Rattlesnakes. Up.
Don't be Patrick.
He's full of chaos. You seeing it? Wait. Oh, here's a Harry Potter one. Here's that one. Wingardium Leviosa, Wingardium Shotgun. What? Warning! Loud warnings! Thunder! This is too graphic. I'm done playing this game, bruh. Why? What could be so wrong with it? Oh. Okay, he's never gonna play that again. He's never gonna play that again, that's why. Wait, what's this? Bruh, what is this? That does not look like Freddy Fazbear, bruh.
Yes. Hey, yo. Yes.
Oh, hey, Cap. Time to go back in the ice.
Oh my god. No.
What is that?
Chameleons could be anywhere.
Oh.
On your couch or rocking chair.
On the plan, on your lap, on your ceiling fan. It's just, I love chameleons. Watch him go flying. Mario Kart, bruh. Even with the magic school bus. I saved this for no reason because it's kind of funny. Bruh.
You want to play a little game?
No. I almost laughed. I almost laughed.
Oh, hey, Captain. Did you get my report
Huh?
on the Finley murder?
Yeah, I looked it over. Nice work.
Good. Thanks, Dad.
What?
Why is everyone staring at me?
You just called Captain